Pakistan play their trump card. Wasim Akram. With leg before appeals, we had one in the last over, close but not close enough. And now one from Wasim Akram.
And this one's a little closer than the last one. Did it come back enough? Pitches on, comes back. And that's why he is shouting. 300 games. I'm just trying to work it out, guys. I'm not sure that I agree with bowl-outs. It's just one of those ones in soccer.
Wasim Akram gets the back of the batsman. Went to his left-hand side, his good side.
And good thinking too. Oh, Craig McMillan was quite a long way out as well. I think Stars perhaps thought he might go that end. Looking for the single. And he had to get back quickly. He did it well.
Well bowled. Yorker speared in.
No need to panic. This man is tough. Wasim Akram, he knows where to bowl. Exactly there. There's absolutely nothing you can do with that. They've got to target the other end. Ashad Khan, is he up to it?
Four off the over. That pushes the required rate up over the last 3 overs. It's 236 for 6. They need 253.